What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is "Woman Throws Temper Tantrum in Liquor Store After She Couldn't Afford to Pay." That liquor make them go crazy if they hooked. But you at least got to be able to afford it. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
Watch as this woman go nuts after realizing she can't pay for her liquor.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I want to test.
Okay, we'll be in there in a second, man. What are you doing? So what's going on in the store today?
Explanation. I don't feel comfortable putting an explanation out because for B-backs and everything else.
I don't care about B-backs. What's going on in the store?
Hello. So what's going on?
Yeah, I don't know. She came in here with some other people.
Yeah.
And I don't know if she was on, but like she kept trying to say, she told me to call you guys before, but I'm like, I don't know if she's just being crazy or whatever.
Yeah.
And then they're about to leave and she can't pay for her bottle, I guess. So I guess she starts getting mad when they're trying to leave. And so then she comes back in from outside. She starts throwing a few bottles around. I'm like, I'm telling her to stop. I'm trying to get her to stop. And then she wasn't stopping.
Okay.
So then I called you guys.
Yeah.
And eventually got her out because there's glass bottles over there. I didn't want her breaking multiple shelves.
Okay.
So,
is there broken stuff anywhere?
no, she threw a few plastic bottles around, but they're fine.
Okay.
It was plastic, but
Okay. And so you're just looking to have her trespassed from here?
yeah, because I don't know. She tried arguing with me and she kept like not wanting to get out of the store when I told her.
Yeah.
And then she started throwing stuff around.
Okay.
So.
All right.
Call somebody to come pick you up. Call somebody to come pick you up.
What family?
I don't care.
He said somebody, not family.
Somebody.
You can't be here,
I
okay?
don't give
So
a shit
what
who it
do you-
is. Just call somebody. You're
So
out
what
here
do you guys?
intoxicated.
Huh?
So one of you guys? Because you guys are my family.
No, we're not. Call someone. Do you have a phone?
Okay.
Where's your phone at? Do you have a phone?
If I had one. So I called this out hours ago. And I called this out long before
what's your
this was a
name?
problem. Samantha Allison.
Do you have a phone in your pocket?
Do you have any history with her when I see it?
I do have a history of my mom calling
Where's your
in.
phone at?
I would love to know.
Huh?
I would love to know.
So you don't have a phone? Where do you live?
I'm homeless.
Homeless? Okay. You been drinking, I guess?
Mercury's definitely in retrograde. Yeah.
Yeah,
So who can come pick you up?
I don't answer that with your ship plans.
So who can come pick you up?
I don't want to answer it to the people that want to put me in.
What are you even saying? Who can come pick you up? We're trying to get you to somewhere safe.
No, you're not.
Do you have anyone that can come help
TJ
you?
didn't want you or him to answer.
Believe me, we don't want to be here any more than you don't want us to be here.
So who called TJ?
Who
They
can come
did.
pick you up?
So who denied him to come?
Do you have a phone in your pocket?
That didn't answer my question. That didn't answer my question.
I was going to that.
I'm not fighting them.
He was probably like, nah, I'm not dealing with this.
Are you,
Are you
celebrating the eclipse? The solar eclipse today. It's a
Are
big
you
deal.
guys deciding this because I'm a Wiccan?
Huh? No, there's an eclipse today.
I don't
We're
care.
not mind readers, we don't know that.
No, I hate that this is the biggest day that y'all have the worst.
Yeah, all we want to do is get you.
So pretty much the friends that she was with probably left when they realized that the cops were being called, and they just left her for freaking they left her for dead out there. She definitely on the influence of something already. Man, just go. All they want you to do is go, because now you're probably gonna get arrested for trespass after warning.
Home, I'll get you to somewhere safe.
Whoa.
I don't care. It doesn't matter to me.
You would
Do you have somebody
care
that
if
can come pick you up?
TJ answered.
Can you walk?
Yeah.
What's your plan? Where are you going?
Let's practice walking. Can you stand up and walk this way? Let's see how you can walk.
I got hit by a motorcycle the other day. Can I at least get a step to stand up?
Sure.
I don't care how, but can I get a step to stand up?
Yeah, do you need to help you up or you?
I don't want them to laugh how. Yeah.
It's not about you.
Oh,
Just stand for it, please.
You remember the bed is.
Walk that way.
How?
Just walk straight.
Put one foot in front
I
of the
just
other.
want to see you walk. You don't have to do anything special.
So where can we get you to? Can we give you a courtesy ride somewhere safe?
I'm sorry. Who did he say something, or
No,
did
I'm
you all?
asking you about if you have.
But you also stopped. So
Can we get you somewhere safe? Can we give you a courtesy ride somewhere?
with videographer, with
We're just trying to get you
You
home
already know
or
how this
wherever
went
you're
last
going.
you know how this went last time.
I don't know who you are.
I remember. You know how this went last time.
I don't know who you are.
Dude, Mercury's in Gatorade today, dude.
You want to sit back down? I want you to fall over.
Why? So I can calm down.
No, I want you to sit down so you don't fall over, not calm down.
You still don't care.
You're a little bit unsteady on your feet right
You
now.
still don't
So
care.
Can you sit down,
So I
please?
remember last time you didn't care
I've never met you before.
because you didn't care to.
Sit down, please.
I don't give a fuck about this man.
That's fine.
Because I know his boyfriend also doesn't care. Because his boyfriend cares about me more than him.
Okay. Samantha, right?
That's where you know it sucks.
Is it your name, Samantha? Is it Samantha?
You literally already introduced me to like a home of.
There's no home here.
Yeah, that's why I cry.
Okay.
That's why I look for a home. You wonder why I fight.
Oh, we spending way too much time here, man. Y'all gotta make a move, man. Either trespass after warning, get them out here to say, hey, you're trespassing on this property, leave, or go down to jail, sober up, then get out. You know what I mean? Or do something, because this is dragging off too long, man.
Because this is no home. Because y'all suck. That's why he's laughing and smiling.
I just smile when I squint my eyes because it's bright out here. It just kind of happens.
Yeah?
We're naturally out of equal. Nothing wrong with your smile.
Okay, you can't go in there.
It's locked.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I wonder how we planned that.
Stop. Stop.
I wonder how we planned to keep me from going
Sit
inside.
down.
No, no.
Samantha, who lives on New York Street in Melbourne?
My parents, I don't care about me.
Do you have a phone number for them?
Why? So y'all can keep me from going inside?
But I didn't lock it.
No.
Do you have
but
a phone
who
number
is?
for them? Can I call your parents? Do you have a phone number? Here, you need to relax. You need to stay still and have a seat. Come on.
I didn't do anything.
Come on. Just don't make it worse. We're trying to get you some help before we have to take you to the hospital, okay? Come have a seat. Come have a seat. We're gonna figure it out. Come on. Come on. Have a seat right there. Just have a
Help!
All right.
Help! Help!
Marchman.
Help! The police are being horrible! Help!
Hey,
Help!
it's okay. We're gonna help you.
No, you're not.
We're gonna help you.
Okay. You're gonna make it
You
worse.
don't have to do
It's
that.
not him.
Roll it down on my chest.
Help! And you wonder why
We're
the
just
black
putting
bitch
handcuffs
ended
on
up
you,
dead.
and then we're gonna help you back up once the
Why?
handcuffs are on.
So you
Okay?
didn't kill me?
No,
So you didn't kill me? Help! Help! Help!
Damn, that concrete hot as hell, boy.
Help! Help! Please! Help!
Okay, we're gonna roll you back on your side and help you
Please.
get up. Okay?
Hey, no! Please help! Please help! Please help!
Okay. That's not nice.
Neither were you, bitch.
Oh. Can we help you up now?
No, who taught you how to fight?
A whole lot of people did. Yeah.
Settle
Can
down.
we help you up now?
You're gonna catch a felony charge. You better relax.
Am I staring?
Help you up?
Am I staring?
Not really.
So why are you wearing one?
Yeah. Awesome. It's too bad. Oh, all right.
Battery Elliot.
Yep. I got it on my camera.
Yeah, what's new? Ass, bitch ass, piece of shit.
All right.
I wonder if we're gonna have to tarp her.
I wonder who taught me how to unlock the.
Yeah, they could be. I just don't know if it might just be best to do it direct. Because
All right.
Yeah.
Ride with me.
Y'all are pussies.
Can I ride?
Everyone knows that I'll stop fighting if I can just hug my skin. And you know you hate doing this.
I might get off your legs, okay?
No, I know you hate doing this to them. That's why you already did
Calm
it.
down.
I know you hate this.
Do not get up, okay? If
I'm not wrong, am I?
If you get up, I'm
Am I wrong?
gonna put you back down.
Am I wrong? I'm not fighting you.
Good.
Am I wrong? I'll keep rolling around. Am I wrong?
Nope.
It's so hard.
We're gonna give
How
you
do you go
a
home?
ride.
How do you go home to your girls after
We're
this?
gonna give you a ride.
How do you
okay?
go home to your girls after this? You don't. You don't. Your girls hate you. Your girls hate you because you know this is wrong. Because I'm gonna be and other shit, and you know your girls hate you. No, this is why you help me.
Come on, sit up.
Why? So I can help
You're
you.
gonna sit in the car.
So I can help you with the kids.
All the way up.
I see that.
Up to days.
No, I see that
Sit.
with here.
Sit down. Sit down.
That's why it's so hard.
I got an appointment for you. Have a seat.
Have a seat. Samantha, I'm gonna make you sit down, or are you gonna sit down? Just sit down.
Are you gonna sit home and
Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put your feet all the
Are
way
you
in.
real kids?
Put your feet all the way in.
You can't make eye contact because you are. Your daddy taught you wrong.
Write a letter to corporate.
Battery on a Leo trespassing. This man, whatever's going on in her life, she's an alcoholic or druggie or whatever the case may be. She needs rehab and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, she don't get along with her parents or whatever because she don't want to go back there. It's just sad. It's unfortunate, whatever, but it is what it is. I think the officers get a 3 out of 5. I think they could have they tried to do their best to like not go down the route of taking her to jail. And I understand that. But at the end of the day, we can't be sitting here all fucking day, like dealing with this. You know what I'm saying? We got Dunkin' Donuts to get. We got, you know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta go do other things. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. We just sitting here, talking to her, and she's not in her right stable mind to to do anything. So let's make a decision, man. So let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.